process them all, but I'm afraid it would just free me up to panic about something else. Right, here's one. I've set the pickup location. It's way out in the countryside.
200 yards. Turn right. Turn right. In 400 yards, turn left. Turn left.
Now where's the passenger? Oh, hurry up before you get rained on. I've calculated your optimum route and uploaded it to your onboard computer, because it's not as if I don't have 1,000 other things to do.
You alright? I'm soaking wet, thanks for asking. And now I'm putting mud all over your nice clean car and... Ugh! Can you just take me home to Broadway, please?
In 400 yards, turn sharp left.
Lovely weather today, she says. How about a walk in the country, she says. No need to take an umbrella, she says. What could possibly go wrong? You lot from the festival like the damp though, don't you? Slipping and sliding all over the place.